To use Do Not Disturb mode on Google Pixel phone, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, swipe down again, and right here in this panel you should be able to find Do Not Disturb mode, and that's the first option to access it. You can, if you can't find it right here, you can click on the pen button to bring it from below up here. Now let's move to the settings for Do Not Disturb mode, and we can do it by going to the settings. Then scroll down and look for notifications. Scroll down again and enter Do Not Disturb mode. Right here we can also turn it on and customize the settings. First one is people. You can select the specific numbers or contacts that can call you or that can't call you when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. And you can manage it right here with the contacts, stored contacts, priority conversation, anyone or none. And the same goes for the calls. You can also enable repeat callers. When somebody tries to reach you multiple times, your phone will ring because maybe that is a very important call when somebody tries to call you multiple times. Then we can manage the apps that will interrupt your Do Not Disturb mode. You can click on add apps to, for example, add Messenger if you want to receive messages or notifications from that app when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. And the app that we added should appear right here. Now let's move to alarms and other interruptions. You can enable or disable specific functions that can also work when you're in Do Not Disturb mode, like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. Then there's schedules. Here you can schedule a Do Not Disturb mode for a certain time of a day or a night. You can add your own right here or choose the schedule that is preset, one of them right there. Then there's duration for a quick settings, and you can switch it when you enable your Do Not Disturb mode through quick settings right there. You can choose duration, how long it should last until you turn it off for 1 hour, or you can change how much hours it should work, or you can enable ask every time. And the last one is display options for filtered notifications, and when we click on it we can choose when Do Not Disturb mode is on. When no sound from notifications, you will see notifications on your lock screen, on your screen, pardon. No visuals or sound from notifications, you won't see or hear notifications, or you can choose custom and then customize all of those settings manually right there. And that is basically everything about Do Not Disturb mode on your Pixel device.